Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change your forgotten LinkedIn password using your phone on a PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's official website by typing linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, log in if you can, or proceed to the next steps if you're unable to. Next, click on the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Now, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Change Password. Click on it. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Simply click on the Forgot Password link. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Type it in and click Next. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification code via SMS on your phone. Enter this code into the designated field on the LinkedIn website and click Submit. Once verified, you'll be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Fill in the required fields with a strong and secure password that you can remember. Then, confirm it by typing it again in the second field and click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully reset your LinkedIn password and regained access to your account. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider using a password manager for added security. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with their LinkedIn accounts. Stay connected and see you in the next video. See you.